Hello everyone, so today I'm gonna add a couple more photos from the X-T2 with the f90mm. So let's get started. So this one was the existing photo with the bokeh in the back. So this is backlight. I'm gonna use the U3 for this one, and then the HSL I'm gonna reduce the blue and then increase the contrast. And then the sharpness a little bit, increase the contrast a little bit more, and then exposure, reduce slightly a little bit more exposure, and the HSL I can reduce more also. So let me double check on this one, and then I'm gonna do the 4x5 crop for Instagram, slightly rotate a little bit. And then 4x5 crop around this area. Okay, so that's good. And then save it. So that's an Instagram export 4x5 ratio. I'm gonna just copy this one and then paste it to the next one. Okay, and it's too dark for this one. I'm gonna increase the light a little bit, and then the highlight save, and slightly maybe back to 0. Okay, so and then 4x5 crop a little bit more here, slightly more headroom for the bokeh above. And the 90mm bokeh is very nice for the X-T2 also, the 90mm on the X-T2 with the sunlight. So that's a before and after. And then let me save it. Okay, so the next one I'm gonna do a copy and then paste the edit. So let's double check on this one. I can add a little bit more lights on here, and then 4x5 crop back with the bokeh in the back. It's nice and smooth for the 90mm. So save it, save. And then the next one, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna copy multiple and then paste it, the edit, and then do a adjustment 4x5. Since this one has more room, I can add more room left or right. Make sure that slightly toward the center, and then save it. And this one I can add a little bit slightly more light also, because I can see that the front needs more light. So let me add more lights for this one. And then the next one, this next two has needed more lights. So what I'm going to do is add more exposure, slightly reduce the highlight save, and then 4x5 crop. Okay, so slightly here. Okay, so that's good. And then the last one, I'm gonna add more lights, exposure in front, and then highlight save for this one. Okay, so that's good. And then okay, so the left side need more space after this. Okay, so yeah, these are the set that I am editing today, and thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned for more video coming up. Bye.